Hey there YouTube, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the StarCraft II Beta and crack it using the Team LazyTown LazyLaunch 2.exe, as well as install the SC2 AI map pack version 1 from botdev.org and the StarCrack AI version 4.0 from botdev.org. This will allow you to play StarCraft II Beta without a beta key. Basically, this is a fully functioning you versus AI crack, and you can play you versus a single AI or you versus 3 different AI in a free-for-all match, or whatever extra maps, whatever the settings are on those that you download later on. Now, the first thing you want to do is get the StarCraft II Beta, obviously. So to do that, I found that this torrent on the Pirate Bay, I'll throw an annotation in right here with the link, and I'll also throw it in the video description. All of the links will be in the video description, as well as a short text tutorial on how to get this installed. So the first thing you want to do is get the beta, download the torrent, save it to your desktop, wherever, open it up in uTorrent or Azurus, whatever torrent client you use, and get it saved. Please seed back the client, because torrents, as you should know, rely on peer-to-peer, which means you upload as you download. So basically, you're sending the file to other people as you're downloading it. And if you don't seed it to a ratio of at least, 0.8 or 1.0, you're just making it harder for the rest of us. So please, please, please seed for at least, a good, decent ratio after you download this. Now, once you have that, get it downloaded, get it installed. So I've already got it right here. So you would punch up the installer, and you would click install if you didn't already have it. Now it's going to install version 0.2.0.13891, and then once it's finished installing, it's probably going to update itself to version 0.3.0 and then 0.4.0 point something something something. That's fine. The crack works with version 0.4.0 something something something. I'm not exactly sure of the numbers, but it does work. It also works with 0.3.0 point something 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 if you want to, use that version for some reason. If the game doesn't update itself right after you're finished installing, just launch it once normally from the, desktop icon or whatever, and that should start the update process. Now, once you have the game installed and updated, you're going to want to get the Lazy Launcher. So to do that, you're going to go to the technogods.com forums, go to their StarCraft II server emulator section, and then open up this Lazy Launcher v2.0 thread. Now the download link is right here. Again, I'll make that into an annotation, so it just takes you to this mediafire.com download page. Click here to download it, save it to your desktop. If there's any ads or something like that, or some stupid survey that says you need to finish this to access the download, just cancel it out. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is click download and download it. So once you have that, it's going to be in a zip archive. So if you have WinZip, WinRAR, whatever, you need to extract it to your desktop first. So you just drag it out onto your desktop, or wherever you want to put this. It doesn't need to be in your StarCraft installation folder or anything like that. You can run it anywhere. So once it's on your folder, or once it's on your desktop, you can read the instructions if you want a bit more clear definition, as well as the command line arguments if you want to display your frames per second, that kind of stuff. So now you should have the StarCraft II Beta client installed and updated, and you should have LazyLaunch2.exe on your desktop or somewhere on your computer where you know where it is. The next step is to get the map pack. I've been following botdev.org/doku.php. This is basically the StarCrack website here. As you can see, StarCrack. Now, they've basically been keeping a little blog-type log on how the progress has been made into the cracking scene. Now, here's the link to the SC2 AI Map Pack V1. Again, there should be an annotation on your screen right now to download this. It's a rapid share link, so you click it, and then you click free user or premium user if you have a premium user account. and then, just wait for it to count down the number, or if it does this, unfortunately right now our servers are overloaded and we have no more download slots left for non-members. Of course, you could also try again later. Just, try again later. Now, once you have that, I've got it right here. You'll get 13 maps plus a README file. Ignore this file, it's something else. These maps with the 2 in front of them are 2-player. So you get 8 2-player maps and 5 4-player maps. They're all free for all. So the 2-player maps are you versus an AI, and the 4-player maps are you versus 3 AI. And it is free for all, so the AI will fight each other as well as you. All right. So quick recap: beta's installed, updated. You have LazyLaunch 2.exe on your desktop or wherever. You have the SC2 AI map pack v1 wherever, somewhere where you know it is. And now we just need to get the version 4 AI, which is the latest AI as of this video. Again, it's on botdev.org/doku.php, the StarCrack II website. Now, the annotation on your screen, blah, 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 etc., etc. Download in the video description as well. Click that, save it to your desktop. All this good stuff. Now, it is a RAR file, so you will need WinRAR. WinZip won't be able to open it properly, I don't believe. Once you have that, just open it up. Read the README. It tells you how to install. They say make sure you don't have any AI scripts floating around in your StarCraft II directory anywhere. It'll make this one not work properly. Now, extract this mods folder right into your StarCraft II Beta directory, the installation directory, so wherever you installed it. Usually it's C program files StarCraft II Beta, or if you're on 64-bit, it's C program files, bracket x86 bracket StarCraft II Beta. As you can see, the directory structure is built the same in the archive as it is in the directory, so mods, liberty.sc2mod, liberty.sc2mod. Now, if I were you, I would create a backup of this base.sc2 data file. To do that, just click it and rename it to .bak instead of .sc2 data. That'll make a backup of the original, and then just, drag the crack one into that directory. I already had one, so it asked me to overwrite. If you don't have one already and you backed it up, it'll just copy it in. Once you have that, you should be ready to go. So all you do now, well, let's just recap quickly. So you have the StarCraft II Beta client installed and updated. You've got LazyLaunch 2.exe on your desktop. You have the SC2 AI Map Pack v1 on your desktop, and you have the StarCrack AI version 4 installed. Once you've got all that and you're ready to go, just double-click LazyLaunch 2.exe, select the map you want to play on. So I'll just jump into Blistering Sands here. And StarCraft II Beta will load up. It'll bypass the menu screen and all that, and it'll immediately dump you into a game with an AI opponent. Now, if you want to play as a different race than the one you started as, you just need to close the beta and start it up again. So there we go, it's closed, and I was Zerg, and I just restarted it now. Same map, same process, LazyLauncher2.exe, select the map, and then there you go. See, now I'm Protoss. I was Zerg, now I'm Protoss. It's all good to go. So, that's that. Hopefully this will help you guys get the beta running if you weren't fortunate enough to get a beta key and you need your StarCraft II fix. If you have any more questions, check the video description because there's going to be a text tutorial in there that's, less hard to follow, I guess. And if you do have any questions, though, after reading the video description, just post a comment on the video here. I'm going to do my best to answer them. And if you have an answer to someone else's question, please feel free to post it, but please don't flame other people for, asking questions, because there's no such thing as a stupid question. It's, some people have a different level of technical expertise than others when it comes to computers. Realize this, please, people, and just help out if you can. All right, thanks. Bye.